Matanong ko lamang po, Mr. Chair, sa DIDM, kayo po ba may mga naimbestiga ng police personnel na sa administrative cases, administrative offense, itong planting evidence, Mr. Chair?
Good morning, sir. Police Colonel Crescenciano Ilandicho. I will submit it to the next hearing, sir, as to the dicta being conducted.
Pero are you aware, DIDM, na may iniimbestigahan ba kayo ng mga police personnel na ang kaso ay planting evidence?
Yes, sir.
Kanina, while on the way dito sa Congress, nagmamonitor ako sa hearing at meron tayong resource person na sinasabing ang mga pulis hindi na natatakot sa ganitong offense. Pero for me, Mr. Chair, kung ito ma-address properly ng PNP while waiting dito sa batas, dito sa body-worn camera, I don't think na hindi matatakot yung mga pulis natin. With all due respect, pare-pareho naman tayong Pilipino. Ang nakikita ko, Mr. Chair, may kapabayaan ng PNP. Galing po ako dyan eh. Kaya alam ko. Mr. Chair, tanong ko lang sa DIDM, tama po ba na kapag ang violation mo is planting evidence, ito ay administrative offense sa PNP? Tama po?
Yes, sir.
Ito po ba maituturing na grave offense, Mr. Chair?
Yes, sir. It is punishable by dismissal. Grave misconduct, sir.
So grave misconduct, grave offense, dismissal.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chair, pwede bang, anyway, alam ko hindi masasagot ito ng PNP ngayon eh. Mr. Chair, pwede po ba nating pag-submitin ng PNP kung meron na silang na-dismiss na police dahil sa planting evidence?
Congressman Busita, that's we can discuss that on the other matters. We're discussing the body-worn camera.
Mr. Chair, yes, I'm sorry. Pero alam ko po ito ay related sa body-worn camera.
Yung issue?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Kasi po, kung meron ng body-worn cameras ang PNP, pero there are personnel intentionally dinideactivate. At kung pipihitin natin, Mr. Chair, kaya maraming pulis, ginagawang laruan na lang yung pagtatanim ng ebidensya. Kasi po, hindi na-address properly ng PNP. Samantalang, kung na-address properly ito, iniimbestiga ng tama, pinarurusahan, dismissible offense po ito, Mr. Chair. Kaya po nabanggit ko ito. With all due respect, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Acop.
I think that can be taken this afternoon.
Yeah.
Because as you have stated a while ago, we're tackling this issue, body-worn cameras, simply because of the resolution I filed, and it will be taken up this afternoon at
1 o'clock.
1300 hours.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, you can reserve your questions on that this afternoon.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Body-worn camera,
Yeah.
if I may.
Okay, go back with that. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, nadinig ko po kanina doon sa ating resource person na isa sa reasonable ground para hindi maparusahan yung police or operatiba yung malfunctioning ng body-worn camera. Which is tama naman. Ano po? Pag nag-malfunction, wala tayong control doon. So, in this regard, Mr. Chair, if I may suggest, para hindi na makalusot dito yung talagang tiwali, siguro po mag-set tayo ng minimum number of body-worn cameras, at least 3. Para wala ng alibay, paano mo sasabing nag-malfunction kung 3 camera?
Actually, meron tayo doon na Congressman Busita, in accordance with the en banc resolution of the Supreme Court, they required 2 body worn camera, but in the absence of working body worn camera, they can have two alternative recording devices, which is the cell phone. Unfortunately, still hindi ginagamit ng ating mga kapulisan. A while ago, we were discussing it that walang penalty. Ang penalty mo lamang, sasabihin mo sa korte that it is not functioning, and that's the reason why hindi ka mako-contempt. So, yung en banc resolution ng Supreme Court is not sufficient enough, no? Talagang to deter the crime of not using the body worn camera. With these bills that we are discussing right now, I think with the penalty, no, and the non-usage of alternative recording devices, these criminal minds of our PNP personnel will have a second thought, no? Kasi
Sir,
wala
Mr.
nga
Chair.
tayong penalty, and at the same time ay meron na kasi decision ng Supreme Court na gumamit ka ng alternative recording devices.
Mr. Chair,
Ang sinasabi lagi nila failure, walang gano'n.
Mr. Chair,
O kaya lobat. O, sige, Congressman na
Mr. Chair, with all
Bisita.
due respect,
Go ahead.
yung nabanggit po ninyong criminal minds ng PNP personnel, may liit lang naman po ang mga tiwali sa PNP. Ano po?
Yun naman na yan ang
Kasi
kahit doon.
parang, with all due respect, Mr. Chair, parang pagpapakinggan ko, parang mga criminal minds yung personnel ng PNP.
No, we
But
all-
in fairness,
Yeah.
maliit na porsyento lang po ang tiwali sa kanila. However, hindi ma-address properly, kaya ang nagiging impression sa public, tiwali ang mga pulis.
We have to clarify that we're always talking about those scalawags. Kapag pinag-uusapan natin itong mga irregularities, it's all about the less than 1% of them. Kasi alam naman natin, yun ang talaga doon tayo nakapokus lamang. Sige, go ahead, Congressman Busita.
Yun lamang po, Mr. Chair. Mamaya na lang siguro po, 1 o'clock.